Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. If you enjoy our content, please consider staking in our stake pool. You can, if you want more information, you can watch our welcome video on the YouTube channel. And so we're gonna take a look at Pavia today. Pavia, everybody I'm sure probably knows what Pavia is. Pavia is Cardano's first virtual world, right? Very popular, very popular. Well, today's February 9th, and on the 11th, it's right now registration for land sale, their third and final land sale is open. Okay, and their their land sale, the registration is going to close on the 11th, so you have a couple days to get in. Okay, so we've had land sale 1 and 2, and we're going to do land sale 3 now. There's going to be 40,000 parcels. What you want to do is just make sure you come to their website. Go to pavia.io if you're interested in checking Pavia out, um, and make sure you go to their website there. You want to go down to the final land sale area right here. You'll see. You click on whitelist. And this brings up a page that will it'll allow you to register down here at the bottom, and it'll give you some details about what's going to happen, take place during the sale, how it's going to be run. Everyone's invited except for bots. You got 40,000 NFT parcels. Each land parcel is going to cost 80 ADA. There's going to be a maximum of 9 parcels per person. You must pre-register for this land sale, okay, to participate in the land sale. I'm not going to read all this, but let's see, priority will be given to those wallet addresses that participated in the last land sale but were unsuccessful. However, due to high demand for Pavia land, we cannot guarantee you will be successful this time around. Okay, so there's no guarantee that you're going to be able to get one of these NFTs. You just have to try, but they're going to give priority to people who were registered in the last one who failed at acquiring a piece of land. Okay, which seems pretty just of them. Let's see. Registration is going to close on 9 UTC on February 11th. So that's a couple days from now. You have a couple days to register. So I'll just let you read some of this. It tells you about the wallet. Make sure you have a Shelly area wallet. Don't, you never try to buy NFTs from an exchange wallet. It just does not work, right? When you get your drop and stuff like that. Um, U.S. residents are not included in this because of regulations. Although you can try to register if you want to, if you feel so inclined. Um, if you if you do become whitelisted and they send you a address to purchase land at, um, and you give that address to somebody else, or you try to purchase land from a different address than the one that you registered with, there's going to be a 2 ADA chargeback fee. Okay, so make sure that you do um, whatever you're going to put your wallet address in here, and make sure that you use the wallet address that you're going to use to purchase the land with. Okay, and then choose amount of parcels, confirm, and then hit submit, and you'll be on your way to being whitelist, right? So anyway, um, that's about it for Pavia. So just to let everybody know, I know this is going to be a very big event, and we'll see how it goes. So I hope you get something good. All right, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.